Hi, I'm Bet from Bet's Makes, and today I'm going to give you a short lesson on calibrating. It's one of the important things that you want to do when you want to use print and cut. And if you have a maker, you can also calibrate how deep your knife blade goes as well. So let's get started with this. We're going to open up a new project in order to get going. So I'm going to click on New, Replace. Now the only thing we're going to do in Design Space is come up to this hamburger menu in the corner, and we'll just click on that hamburger menu and come down to Calibration. And here's where we're going to see what we can calibrate here. Now we have a couple of tools here that only come with the maker, so there are 3 different calibrations you can do. The rotary blade most often is used for fabrics. So if you're doing a lot of fabrics or quilting, you are going to want to come here to the rotary blade and calibrate that one. Same with the knife blade, but the one we're going to concentrate right now is print and then cut. And it is really important that you come through here and calibrate your machine. It's not going to automatically cut in the right place if you don't calibrate it properly. I'm just going to click on this one. First thing it's going to ask you to do is cut a calibration sheet. Now the biggest thing with this, you need an inkjet printer in order for it to see the lines when it does that. So I can click here and print. So let me just turn my printer on. So that is all there is to calibration. It's just something that you need to do each month or each quarter, especially if you're using it a lot. So until next time, happy crafting.